back at Animal Kingdom. Actually, it's been a while since last year, so this is actually the first time in a year since we got. They're doing the Lion King anniversary. This used to be the anniversary for Animal Kingdom. Now they changed it into the Lion King. So that's one of the brand new items that they just placed in the park. I mean, it's kind of fun. It's Pandora over there. They're still doing the 20th anniversary logo, so that's actually going to be up for another 3 months. I think they're going to take it down like this April the 22nd, off day. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe by doing so, and be sure to like the video, but click that red subscribe button. I want you to watch all my videos. I mean, it won't take not even 10 seconds. I mean, just click the red subscribe button, and that way you'll be updated with future videos so that you won't miss out, and so that I won't have to like remind you every time that I make a video, check this video out. So be sure once again to subscribe. There's a lot of cool videos, so you don't want to miss it. Now back to the video. That side is actually closed, but I don't know why. I think it's the parade or something. But there's another way to get out of here, so instead of going to that way, we're going this way. But we have a fast pass for Primeval War, so stay tuned. They still have the 20th anniversary like logos out. For some reason, they just want to keep them until the 1 year anniversary pastime of this event. So by the time it reaches April 22nd, hopefully they'll take these signs down. There's the new character, but I'm gonna move this way because basically it's too crowded over there. But I think he's walking over this way. We'll make like a straight fire line. Kevin once again walking through the crowd. So when you see him, just try to like step out his way, because like the cast members don't like it how you like get near him for safety reasons. But if you do want to say hi, just talk to the employees about it. They'll offer you an opportunity, and if not, you can always meet him where Warsaw's at. So I believe over there, and there's Mount Everest. This is Donald's Dino Badge. It still exists to today. They haven't like done anything to this area. It's been here for like a while. It's really been here for a while. So be sure to check this area out. It's very fun. I'm showing you how the crowd levels are like right now, because it's like week number 1. I think like 2 weeks before spring break. There's a lot of crowds in spring break, by the way, so be aware that if you come here during spring break vacation, it might get filled with crowds. And basically, I don't think Dinoland USA is filled with a lot of people right now, but the only areas that have a lot of crowds is like in the middle of like Discovery Island. Otherwise, enjoy the Dino-Rama, and here we go, enjoy the ride. Today on Fast Passes, you can actually enter your Fast Pass selection area. If you're 15 minutes or 20 minutes late, they will be sure that you enter the ride, even though you're like 20 minutes late.
Good morning, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina del tiempo. Cuide a los pequeñitos y no recoja un dinosaurio. Gracias. Hey, Wilbers, it's Chester here. Reminding you for your safety to stay seated at all times with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your time machine. Be sure to watch your children and don't pick up any hitchhiking dinosaurs. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina del tiempo. Cuide a los pequeñitos y no recoja un dinosaurio. Gracias. Hey, Wilbers, it's Chester here. Reminding you for your safety to stay seated at all times with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your time machine. Be sure to watch your children and don't pick up any hitchhiking dinosaurs. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina del tiempo. Cuide a los pequeñitos y no recoja un dinosaurio. Gracias. Hey, Wilbers, it's Chester here. Reminding you for your safety to stay seated at all times with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your time machine. Be sure to watch your children and don't pick up any hitchhiking dinosaurs.
Vamos rápido. Vamos saltar ahí abajo.
Remember how this side was closed? They actually opened it. That was actually kind of quick. But yeah, this side's been closed for like 3 to 2 months because they've been trying to add a water sceneries to it. It's kind of a little bit different than the other side. That's the dance party over there based on the Lion King's anniversary. So if you get the time, check it out. But if not, then I guess it's time to ride the safari. Update on the meet and greet. They actually took out the giant wall that was over there. But advice to all of you that I would recommend that you wait online. So if you want to meet the characters and take photos with them, the cast members highly encourage you to wait in line. So be sure that you wait in line. But if you don't have the time, then just ride the safari. For some construction updates. If you look right to here, this is actually closed off, but I think this is employees only or something like that. But this over here is basically the Alto Guaru, and this is like closed for the moment. So this is the only construction they're doing. and it's kind of hidden, so you can't really see anything because of all these trees. But I do see a lot of hidden stuff. This is actually the only way you can see underground here, is this. Yeah, all of this is like boarded off. And this way is actually the only way you can go up to the Tree of Life. So if you just go around here, it's actually like a gigantic, it's just like being blocked off, so you really can't see anything from back there. There's a lot of trees, but I'm pretty sure what they're trying to do is trying to add night lights for the nighttime. So you could probably walk right past there by 7 or 8, but when they have like nighttime showings, they're probably not gonna let you back there. But they're just doing something with the area at the moment. And the Discovery Tour is open, I guess. Now it's time to ride the safari.
Santasana. This is in Harambe to Wendy, which is let's go. Now, how we say hello here in Africa, we say Jambo. So, Jambo, everybody.
Jambo!
My name is Matt, going to be your safari guide as we travel through Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Notice that spotting guide above you. That is going to help you identify the animals that we've seen on the reserve today. And might not be able to see all of them, but there's a good chance you'll see a lot of them. If you folks are taking pictures, great. Have the cameras out ready to go. Have them set on the motion setting or the sports setting. Can't stop at every single animal, folks. When it gives you any blurry pictures, an awesome picture of an animal can turn into a so-so picture of a tree. First part of the reserve we're coming into here is going to be Little Ituri Forest. Forest is kind of a key word there. You got to keep a lookout for any animals anywhere. Oh, first animal off to the right there. You can see that is going to be an okapi. As you can see, okapis do have stripes in their hindquarters, so kind of looks like it's related to the zebra, but they're actually more closely related to the giraffe. Nice to see it out in the open like this. Okapi or Shine Reclusiva, they weren't discovered by the Western world until about 1901. It's good to see it out in the open like this. Alright, we're coming up to a watering hole here. Watering holes are a gathering place for animals, so kind of be lookout for anything that might be coming down to get a drink. There is a black and white bird up to the right up on the hill, a little difficult to see. It's a saddle-billed stork, stands about 5 feet tall, wingspan about 8 to 9 feet. Gets the name from how it has like this saddle shield on its bill. Alright, not seeing too much. You know, watering holes such as this usually give us a chance to see some of our rare species like the black rhino. Yeah, but because of poaching efforts as high as they are, it's sadly harder and harder to find them out in the wild. There is less than 5,000 black rhinos left in existence. That's counting captivity and in the wild, so that's not a lot. Alright, I thought I could see some movement up ahead. Oh yeah, cool, perfect. Going to be coming up to the left, you'll see some large changed animals. These are going to be greater kudu. They're one of the second tallest antelope in Africa. Now these are female greater kudu because they don't have any horns. Oh, there's a rust-colored animal moving through the back brush. Those are going to be bongos, sometimes called ghosts of the forest. They can disappear in the back brush quickly and quietly. Just blend right on in. Alright, now we're leaving Little Ituri Forest and head right into the Safe River. I've been hearing reports of some hippos in the area, so let's go try and find some hippos. Keep a lookout. The hippos, for the most part, tend to spend most of their time in the water in order to keep themselves from getting overheated. They can hold their breath about 5 to 8 minutes at a time, can swim, just kind of prefer to walk along the bottom of the river. Okay, I can see one. One off to the right there. Yeah, it just kind of popped up and back down. You can see somewhere it was left. Oh, there's one actually out of the water to the left. It'll be a little difficult with the sun in our eyes right now, so as I keep pulling up ahead, we'll be able to get a view of it. Yeah, we'll get a view of it, don't worry. Now, a group of hippos are called a bloat, so this is a bloat of hippos here. Yeah, the pelicans here will be pink-backed pelicans, like to live in groups and colonies, and as you can see, about an 8-foot wingspan. They get their name because during the mating season, the feathers on their back turn just like a light pink color. There we go, there's the view, that one to the left.
Hey, Mom. Who's that look like?
When a baby hippo is born, it's going to be 85 pounds, and then it's going to get up to an adult weight of about 5,500 pounds.
¿Y ese qué? ¿Qué está haciendo este?
Cuando nace pesan 80 y ahora pesan como 500.
Look at the down to the
Oh,
left.
there's another one. How many calories can they eat per bite?
It depends on what they eat. Now we're going to be cross Turkey Rich, folks, and those are Nile crocodiles down there.
¿Los qué?
Nile crocs, about 18 to 20 feet long. Kids got to be sitting down. Got to be down on the lap. Jaw strength more than 2,000 pounds per square inch. Can't athletic down for like zebra wildebeest. Sometimes you see with their jaws open, it just helps them regulate their body temperature. Let's go. Alright, we're transitioning from one ecosystem into another, leaving the Safe River, making our way to the savannah. Different ecosystems mean different plant life and animal life. We're going to go see what we can find. Coming up on the right is going to be a baobab tree. It'll stay leafless 9 months out of the year to retain water during the hot drought months. Gets the nickname upside down tree, and you can see why. Branches kind of look like their root system. We'll see some more up ahead, but the more important stuff is going to be right here. We're going to be coming up to one of the best views of the savannah. This is the Serengeti grasslands. The grasslands will spread for hundreds of miles across eastern Africa, act like a super highway for the animals like zebra wildebeest. Also home to some of the more popular ones like African elephants, lions, giraffes. Just a small snapshot of the Africa that we all work together in order to conserve and protect. A number of animals looking to see across the landscape here. They're almost hollow like a honeycomb. They circulate blood up in the horns. It gets cooled off by the air and then circulates back into their body. Kind of like a natural radiator. Large tanish animal right here. This is a Patterson's eland. Eland are one of the largest antelope in Africa. Males stand about 6 feet tall at the shoulder. That's a male right there. He'll weigh about 2,000 pounds and jump 6 to 8 feet straight up. You can probably see a lot of large earthen mounds around here. Yeah, they'll be termite mounds, hard as concrete. Elephants love using them as a scratching post. So it's like, you know, they're worn down over time. Kind of like some of those off to the right. You'll see smaller animals climb on top and use them as a lookout point. I'm going to pull up a view of them. Beautiful view of the spotted hyena there. Gotta sit down back there, guys. Gotta sit down. It's a free-moving vehicle. Now, they have a very fascinating hierarchy. The highest-ranking male is still going to be below the lowest-ranking female. A matriarchal-based packs. Yep, I can see some giraffes on the move off to the left. They're running around. A couple baby giraffes and an adult. When a baby giraffe is born, it's only going to be about 5 to 6 feet tall. You get up to an average height of about 18 to 20 feet, making one of the tallest living land animals. It's a little difficult with that sun in our eyes, but you can see them there. Brown and white antelope here are going to be sable antelope, emblem of our wildlife reserve. Very aggressive animals. If they're ever being chased by a predator, they'll just drop to the knees and lower those 5-foot-long horns to defend themselves. So you saw a couple of giraffes, so that's good. We'll see if we can find some more that won't have the sun behind. We can kind of see that's a little bit of a stretch. Then in Swahili, their name is Nu. That's G-N-U. They get it for the grunting noise that they make. In addition to the wildebeest, you look over to the right on that hill there, a little bit in the shade, you can see some small animals laying down with like black racing stripes near the wildebeest. Those would be springbok, full-grown adults, bushes in the trees. A little shiner clears too, so come be on the lookout for them. But off to the right, that is a full-grown adult bull African male elephant. So how we can tell it's a male is he's a lot bigger and a lot more brightly colored. You know what? So we can tell it's a male is because he's by himself. See, elephants are social creatures. Females in their young are going to go almost an entire lifetime together. Male elephants, on the other hand, right here we go. Oh, now he's walking away. Male elephants, the other. Predominantly female herds are going to be a matriarchal-based society with the oldest, wisest female in charge. She's going to help out with telling the herd where to go for food, where to go for water. It's important information, especially during the drought season. Alright, we're in the red clay pits. You can see from the tusk marks, elephants have been here. They eat red clay. It gives them beneficial minerals they don't normally get from their daily diet. Kind of like a daily vitamin pill. I think I can see some elephants off in the distance. Alright, now we do have researchers working on the reserve studying the elephants' vocal patterns. We're hoping to find understanding how they communicate. We can better protect them out in the wild. And we've made headway. We figured out elephants don't like the sound of bees. So to handle that conflict of them going into farmers' land and eating the crops, which is sadly sometimes causing tensions and elephant life lost, with the beehive fences, the elephants are staying away. The farmers still have their crops. And they're also getting a cash crop from the honey, so it's a win-win for both sides. Not seeing too much activity. Looks like they might have moved, migrated on.
Flamingos.
And we're coming up to a flock of greater flamingos here, the lightest and largest of the flamingos. Kind of across the landscape to be able to spot any prey. Oh, there's a male lion laying down in the front part of the copy. Just kind of see his mane, so I'm going to kind of keep pulling around to get a view of him.
You know, Leo.
Yeah, this is kind of a common sight to see with lions.
Ahí está.
Ooh, a couple female lions. Now, female lions will do the majority of the hunting for the pride. They are pack hunters. They love to work together or take down the prey. While the male lion, if there are no cubs, he's going to help out with the hunting. But if there are cubs, he has to stay back and protect them and the territory. It's crucial for the survival of the pride. Good view from right there. And we have brown and white antelope coming up on the right. It's going to be a Bontebok. Coat has a purplish tinge to it, made him a target for poachers. Apparently extremely hard to find out in the wild now. Some ostriches there with some eggs. One of the eggs weigh about 3 to 4 pounds. Ostriches don't like to leave them alone too long. That's probably why they're close by.
Están cuidando los huevos.
I'm glad you enjoyed the ride, folks, but we're going to Pandora. Enjoy the ride, folks, but we're going to Pandora. Well, here it is. You should be nervous right now, but we're getting ready to ride it.
actually looks good.
It's still in one piece. Scapoose! What, y'all don't shout your own name when you succeed at something? I do, because I like it. Try it. Scapoose! See, it just rolls off the tongue before you're going to be shouting that the whole plane ride home. Now, let's go ahead and get to know each other a little better since you've all committed to sticking around to help me out. Name's Scapoose, and I am the Chief Pandora Ranger. Oh, yeah! And as the Chief Pandora Ranger, oh, yeah! It's my responsibility to verify that all newly repaired suits like this one here are in top operating condition before we head back out in.
So if you look closely, that board is actually from the movie itself. This is the board that actually ate Hopple at the end of the movie. But they actually gave him an award for that, so this is his award. He's featured at the Tree of Life. So here he is, the red board that ate Hopple. Oh, my mistake. I mean, that's not the board that ate Hopple. He actually feed him to the baby, so like the 3 baby boards were actually eating him as the model was actually feeding him to the 2 babies. So like, my mistake. If you've seen the movie, you know what happened.
That's what you get from earlier. Oh, I'm sorry, but did I hit your face? Damn, why is it going so fast? What the hell? Vamos! Hey! I can see my house from here. Yeah, I can see Space Mountain from here. My gun's gonna fly off, bro. Wait, why is it going so fast? allá, están allá.
No, here. This is cool. Once again, it's very dark out here, but well, actually I never said that, but yeah, it's dark out here, definitely. So for those who are like neon light fanatics, make sure you bring yourself a flashlight here, because they're gonna definitely need it for your Walt Disney World Animal Kingdom trip. And as always, here's the cave. Usually when there's no people in here, the noises in the cave do sound a lot scarier. I mean, and I keep at the pace because it's like a fast pass line. It's more like a fast line. Heading back home. Well, good night to the Animal Kingdom.